Alright, back with another one. We're gonna make some peanut butter chocolate smoothie. It looks like I already made one. I'm just showing off the Ninja Blender here and then all the ingredients. We got coconut oil, we got peanut butter, water, milk. I use oat milk. We got some chocolate whey protein and bananas and some Greek yogurt. That's all you need to make this. Make sure you get lots of bananas. You probably need 12 if you're gonna make 6 like I do. So the best thing about this Ninja Blender is they have the markings on the blender so I can know how much to pour in. So I pour in a cup of milk. I pour in half a cup of water. Use about 1 scoop of this chocolate protein powder. I was running out, so I think what I did was substituted with some cocoa powder and vanilla whey powder instead. Yeah, and then you put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and I use that spoon also to get out the peanut butter, so the peanut butter can kind of slide off easier. There's a pro tip for the professionals out there. Like you like these overhead shots we got, so you can see what's going on in the blender. Then I use this little cup, this little plastic cup I have here. I think it's about 8 ounces. I think the recipe calls for a little bit more, but it's up to you how much Greek yogurt you want to use. This just seems perfect for me because I can use up, the whole canister of Greek yogurt I get when I make 6 of these. And then you add 2 bananas. Doesn't even matter how ripe they are, because they're getting blended up. So if you got some bananas you want to get rid of, maybe this is the recipe for you. And this blender is powerful. And the blades are pretty sharp, so you gotta be careful. And I don't know, I just like to do it this way where I take off the lid. You can just pop open the top, but if you're gonna pour it out like me, you gotta make sure you hold the blades in place so they don't fall out. I just remove my hand there just so you can see the consistency of this smoothie, but I wouldn't recommend doing that unless you like to live on the edge, because these blades could slice your hands open, so be careful. And then what I usually do is I rinse out the blender container here so I can see the markings again if I'm going to make more, which I am. And there you go, one delicious recipe. Make sure you give it a taste test, and let me know what you think. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll have more of these coming soon.